Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel Math Words. In today's class we are going to discuss that how to find surface area of a rectangular prism. So firstly we will know about the formula that we use to find out the surface of the rectangular prism. So if I write this one, so surface area will be equals to 2 into width multiplied by length plus height times length plus height times width. This one is formula that we use to find out the surface area of a rectangular prism. So in my first question number 1, this one is our length and this one is our width and this one is our height. So we just need to put the values in the formula. So if I put the values, so 2 into the length is 13 and the width is 3, so 13 times 3 will be equals to 39. So we'll write 39 plus height times length. So height is in this case 9 and the length is 13. So 13 times 9 will be equals to 117. So we'll write 117 plus, and now we'll multiply height with width. So if I multiply height with width, so we got 9 times 3 will be equals to 27. In the next step we will just add these values. So 2 into, if I add 39 with 117 and then add 27 in them, so we got 183, and 183 2 times will be equals to 366. So 366 is our answer for the surface area of this diagram. Our next question is this one. This one is our length, this one is our width, and this one is our height. So we'll just need to write over there. So 2 into length time width time length. So length is this one, width is this one, and this one is our height. So if I multiply 20 with 6, we got 120. So I will write 120 plus height times length. So height is 4 and the length is 20. So if I multiply 20 with 4, so we got 80. And the next one is our height times width. So height is 4 and the width is 6. So 6 times 4 will be equals to 24. So we will write 24. After that we will add all the values. This one is 24. I will clear this one. Yeah. So in the next step we will write 2 into. So if I add 120 with 80, so we got 200, and 200 after adding 24 we got 224. In the next step we will multiply 224 with 2. So after multiplication we got 448. So this one is our surface area for this part, 448. And then our next part is part number 3. So in this part, this one is our length, this one is our width, and this one is our height. So we just need to put out the values in the formula. We got our answer. So 2 into, we will multiply width with length. So width is 16 and the width is 5 and the length is 16. So 16 times 5 will be equals to 80 plus, now we will multiply height with length. So if I multiply height with length, we got 16 times 14, we got 224 plus, next is height times width. So height is 14 and the width is 5. So 14 times 5 will be equals to 70. In the next step we will just add these values. So 80 plus 24 plus 70. So we got 374. And after that we got 444. This one is our final answer for this part, 444. And other parts is as your homework. You can solve it by yourself and answer in the comment section. Okay, our next question, last part is question number 10. So in question number 10, a rectangular shape has the following dimensions: 12 yards, 8 yards, and 18 yards. What is the surface area of the box? So I just consider this one is a length, this one is a width, and this one is a height. Now we just find out the surface area of the box, of the rectangular shaped box. So we just need to find out the surface area by using this formula, this one. So I just need to put the values in the formula. So is equals to 2 length times width. So length is 12 and 8 is width. 12 times 8 will be equals to 96 plus, now we multiply height with length. So height with length 12 times 18. So 12 times 18 will be equals to 216 plus, now we will multiply height with width. So 18 times 8, that will be equals to 144 Now we just need to add the values, that 96 plus 216 plus 144. So we got 456, and after multiplication to 456 with 2, 912. So 912 is our surface area if according to this statement number 10. I hope you understand this lecture. If you are new on our channel, so must subscribe to my channel and like the video, and must share the video with your friends who does not understand the concept of surface area of the rectangular prism. And we just put the further videos on our channel very soon, so must subscribe to this channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.